Oh, stand-up comedy again. Oh, guess what? I'm in my fucking pajamas. Ah! I don't care if I curse. I don't give a shit if I curse. No, I really don't. Shit happens, homeboys. Why did she didn't cross the road? They get killed by the big bad fucking wolf in his teeth in his frying pan. With spinach on the side. Cajun style. Excuse me, said the big bad wolf. I just farted again. Why does it smell like ass in here? Barney Sutz. Justin Bieber Sutz. What did the big bad wolf say to the three little pigs? I'd rather pig pie and some sausage and bacon and ham for dinner. And some pig stuffing. Pig stuffing? Ah! We're fucking running! Ah! The pig said, oink, oink, oink. Alright, you want the song? I'll give you the song. Fuck the pigs, fuck the police, 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 fuck the pigs, fuck the police. Yeah, yeah. Fuck the pigs, fuck the police. I'm the big bad wolf. Here's the middle finger. No, I really don't care. Thank you very much. There's your beatbox. Thank you very much. And I'll have a good night. Except for Santa Claus, because he didn't give me that old dirty bastard toy for Christmas 10 years ago. Thank you very much.